Namaste children. I am your maths teacher Bulbul Sengupta. How are you children? So today is Friday children. The sky is cloudy. So enjoy the weather. Weather is cool and calm. And in the early morning, open your door and go outside. Instead of beside this lockdown period, all of you are restricted to stay at home. But you should enjoy the beauty of nature, the chirping of birds, the beautiful sky, and also humming of bees, butterflies, beautiful butterflies, and the beautiful flowers. Now it is a rainy season is knocking at the door, so enjoy the season. And now let's start. Children, close your eyes and then start Gayatri Mantra along with me. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om. Now children, I'll start my session with a beautiful thought. Work is worship. I repeat, work is worship. So we should worship our work. So children, with this beautiful thought, I am going to continue today's session. The topic of the session is unit number 4, worksheet number 4, division, 5-digit number by 2-digit number. So here children, 5-digit number. So I am taking an example. Divide 89,217 by 35. Here 89,217 is dividend, the number which is to be divided, and 35 is divisor, the number which is used to divide the dividend. Here the dividend is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-digit number. So today I am going to deal with the division of 5-digit number by 2-digit number. Here the divisor is 2-digit number. All of you see 35. 2 digits are there in 35. So let us firstly arrange this dividend in a place value chart. How many places are there in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll start from the extreme right side of the number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So I am going to write here place value of these digits: thousands, 10,000s, thousands, 100, tens, ones. So this is the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Right. So 5 digits, 5 place value. Now I am inserting this dividend in the place value chart. 8, 10,000, 9,000, 200, 110 and 17. It will be divided by, I am giving the division form, it will be divided by the 35. 35 is having 2-digit number. Okay children. Now in case of division, when we are doing division, we will start from the extreme left side. That is the highest place value digit. Here the highest place value digit is 8. What is the value of 8? 8. Value of 8 is 80,000. Here children, 8. 8 is less than 35. Right? So I will start this multiplication when the number is less than 35. 8 is less than 35. It means I have to multiply with such a number so that the after multiplication it will come less than 8. So 35 is more than 8. So only one option is there when I will multiply 35 by 0. 0 times of 35 is 0. There is a property of multiplication: whenever a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. So 8 minus 0. Now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 0 is 8. Correct? Now I will go towards the thousand place, that towards the right side of the number. So I will put down this 9 along with 8. This is, now it becomes 89 what? 89,000. Now this, see children, this 89,000 89,000 is more, it will be divided by 35. 89,000 will be divided by 35. Here 89 is more than 35. So what I will do, I will start the multiplication table of 35. So here I will see that I am saying that 35 twos are 70. So 35 twos are 70. I think it is 35 twos are 70 and 35 threes are 3 fives are 15, 1 carry over, 3 threes are 9, 1 10. It is 105. So this 105 is more than 89. So 35 twos are 70. So this 70 will be applicable. So I will write 2 in the thousand place. 35 twos are 70. Now I will do the subtraction. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now children, I am going to erase this. Now all of you see. Now it's 19. Now I will put down this 2 along with 19. It becomes 192 hundreds. 192 hundreds. So it will be, when if I will multiply 35 by 5. 5 fives are 25. 5, 2 carry over. 5 threes are 15 plus 2, 17. So it is less than 195. Now we will subtract 192 minus 175. Now after this 2 will become 12 and 9 will be reduced to 8. I have taught you how to subtract. I have borrowed from the tens place. So 12 minus 5 is 7 and 8 minus 7 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I will put down this 1. Okay, this 1 will be written along with this 17. Now it becomes 171. What is this? 171 tenths, because 1 is at the tens place. So 171 tenths is more than 35 and 171 is more than 35 and 171 tenths will be divided by 35. Now I will take again 4. Here all of you see, and when I will multiply 35 by 4, 5 fours are 20, 0, 2 carry over, 4 threes are 12 plus 2, 14. So it is 140, right? So it is 140, we will do subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1, 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now last is 7 ones. So it becomes 317 ones. Now 317. So it is more than 35. So I will start the multiplication table. So it is at 35 nines are 9. 35 nines are 9 fives are 45. 5 carry over 4. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 4 31. So I will subtract 317 minus 315, that is equal to 2. Right? So here children, 2549 is a quotient and this 2 is a remainder. So you have to write quotient, that is 2549 and remainder is 2. Right? Now children, let us take another example. So we go to the worksheet number 4. Question number 1. A. What is the question? Divide. We have to divide. So question is 72,895 by 15. Right. So here all of you see that how many digits are here children? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the how many place value? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is dividend. 72,895 is a dividend. The number which is to be divided, and 15 is a divisor. 15 is having the 2-digit number, and 72,895 is having 5-digit number. So I will arrange this dividend in a place value chart. So I will start from 10,000s, then thousands, then hundreds, then tens, then ones. Now I will write this dividend in the place value chart. 70,000, 2,890 and 5. Now this 72,895 will be divided by what? 15. Correct? Now we start from the extreme left side, the greatest place value number, that is 7. 7, what is the value of 7? 70,000. Here 7, children, it is less than 15. So I will multiply 15 with 0 at 10,000 place. 0 times of 15 is 0. So now we will do subtraction. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now I will move forward towards the right side, thousands place. So here thousands place. Thousands place 2. I will insert 2 here. Now it becomes 72,000. We have to divide 72,000 will be divided by 15. Here 72 is more than 15. So I will start the multiplication table of 15. 15 4s are 60. 15 5s are 75. So here we see that 15 4s are 60. 60 is 15 4s are 60. 60 is less than 72. But 15 5s are 75. It is more than 72. So it is not possible. So 15 4s are 15 4. I will write 4 as a quotient in the thousand place. 15 4s are 60. So I will subtract 72 minus 60. It is 12. Correct? Now I am erasing this one. Now all of you see this 12. Now with this 12 I will write down this 800 along with this 12. Now it becomes 128. What is the value? 128 hundreds will be divided by 15. Here 128 is more than 15. So I will start the table. 15 8s are 120. 15 9s are 135. Here 15 8s are 120 is less than 128. But 15 9s are 135 is more than 128. So what we will do? 15 9s are no. 15 8s are 120. Now it is applicable. Now we will do subtraction. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I am going to erase it. The rough part. Now here all of you see. Now I will put down this 9 tens along with 89. Right. Now 89 tens. We start the table. 15 1s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75. Here we see, and 15 6s are 90. So here we see that 15 5s are 75 is less than 89. But 15 6s are 90 is more than 89. So 15 6 is not possible. So we will take 15 5s are. 15 5s are 75. So we will do subtraction. 9 minus 5 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now at last I will write down 5 ones. Now it is 145. So we know that 15 9s are 135. 15 10s are 150. So I will take here 15 9s are. So 15 9s are 135. So I will subtract here. I am subtracting here, lack of space. So here this 145 will be subtracted with what? 15 9s are 135. So I will do subtraction. 5 minus 5 0. 4 minus 3 1. 1 minus 1 0. So this 10 is the remainder. 10 is the remainder, and the 4859 is a quotient. Right. So how you will have to write down quotient 4859 and remainder is 10. Now let's come to the question number 2. So what you have to do, divide and find quotient and remainder. So firstly you have to divide and then find quotient and remainder in question number 2. Now I am discussing A. 62,825 divided by 21. Correct? So how many digits are there? 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be 5 place values. So I will start from 5 place value. 10,000, then thousands, then hundreds, then tens, then 1. This 62,825 is a dividend. So I am writing here 6 10,000, 2 10,000, 800, 2 tens, 5 ones. It will be divided by 21, 2-digit number. So here all of you see, according to the division I have told you, the start from the extreme left side, highest place value, 60,000. 6 is less than 21. 6 is less than 21. So I will have to multiply 21 by 0. 0 times of 21 is 0. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Right? Now I will put down this 2,000. 2 along with 6. Now it becomes 62,000. Now I will start the multiplication table of 21. 21 2s are 42. Because 21 3s are, it is 63. So 63 is more than 62. So that's why 21 2s are 42 is applicable. We can use subtraction. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now I will put down this 800 along with 20. Now it becomes 208. And what is the value of this 208? Place value 200 and 8 hundreds. And we divide 208 hundreds by 21. Here 208 is more than 21. So we'll start the multiplication table of 21. It is 21 nines are. 9 times of 21 is 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. So it is applicable because 21 tens are 210. 210 is more than 208. So 21 nines are 189. It is applicable. So 8 minus 9. It is not possible. I will borrow. So this 8, it will become 18 and this 0 will become 9. Why? Because 0 is borrowed from here. So it is 2 will become 1. Okay. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now I will put down this 2 along with 19. Now it becomes 192. What is the value of 2? Value of 2 is 10. So it becomes 192 tens. Now again 21 nines are. It is 189. So I will do subtraction. So what is this? 192 minus 89. 192 minus 189. So I will do the subtraction. So 2 minus 9 is not possible. 2 will become 12 and 9 will reduce to 8. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I will write down this 5 ones along with 35. Now it becomes 35. Now I will start the multiplication table. 21. 1 times of 21 is 21. 2 times of 21 is 42. 42 is more than 35. So I will take 1 times of 21 is 21. So 35 minus 21 is how much? 5 minus 1 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is, 5 minus 1 is 4. Sorry. 3 minus 2 is 1. So here 14 is the remainder. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 14 is the remainder and the quotient is 2991. So you will write down quotient 2991 and remainder is 14. Okay. Now let us take another example. So take another example, that is example B. it is 52,525. 500 52,525 will be divided by, you have to do division with 25, right? So here 5 digits are there, so it is 10,000, thousands, hundred, tens and ones. So I will insert this dividend 52,525. It will be divided by what? 25. So I will start from the 10,000. It is 5. 5 is less than 25. So I will multiply with 0. 0 times of 25 is 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Now I will put down this 2 along with 5. It will become 52,000. So 52. 52 is more than 25. So I will start the multiplication table of 25. 25 2s are 50. So it is, I will multiply with 2 because 25 3 is 75. 75 is more than 52. So 25 2s are 50. 50. 5 0 50. So 52 minus 50 is 2. Now I will put down this 5 along with 25. Right. So 25 ones are 25. Now I will do subtraction. 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 2 0. Now I will put down here 2. Here all of you see 2. 2 is less than 25. So I will multiply 0. I will multiply 0 with 25. So 25 zeros are 0. So it is, now we will do subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now at last I will write down this is 5. So 5. 25. Now it is 25. 25 ones are 25. So 25 minus 25, that is 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So here 0 is the remainder and the quotient is 2101. So quotient is 2101 and remainder is 0. So children, your classwork is, you have to do question number 1 as a classwork, worksheet 4, unit number 4, and question number 2 of worksheet 4, unit number 4 is your homework. So children, hope you have enjoyed my class. So it is 52,525 divided by 25. So you have enjoyed my class. So watch this video very carefully and then solve your problem. If you have any kind of queries, you can clear through my WhatsApp number. You can call me. So children, have a nice day. Bye bye.